Hi everybody, this is my second journal video observation for EDUU 675. Through this journal, I'm going to be discussing who I interviewed, what I learned from the interview, and how I operationally defined the behavior. So for starters, I interviewed the SLP who works directly with the student. The student receives services twice a week for one 30-minute small group and another 30-minute individual. We discussed in this interview his behaviors that are displayed, when he displays them, for how long he displays them. I just wanted to get like the big picture of how he is during his speech groups since I do not go with him. What I learned from the interview was how the behaviors occur during every session. He at least displays the behavior one time during every session, and I did not know that. I also learned that she doesn't really ever track or collect data on his specific behaviors that he displays. We've talked about how she could collect that in an easy way, so that was good. And then approximately, she said that these behaviors occur 3 or more times during the session. And when these behaviors occur, she implements a variety of strategies that consist of ignoring, redirecting, giving him the words or sentences to state his emotion, and having him state the emotion back in complete sentences, offering breaks as needed, changing the stimuli to something that is more of interest to him, using positive reinforcement when he is on task, and doing the correct things within the session. How we operationally defined the behavior. First of all, the target behavior is he loses focus easily. And how we decided to operationally define the target behavior is the student frequently fixates on his body parts, such as his hands or his fingers. So he'll be just staring at his hands and his fingers and looking at different things on them. And he also fixates on other stimuli around the room, whether it be students, toys, objects, signs, anything that could be of distraction within the room. And so that is how we define the target behavior. Thank you for listening.